Speedography, Volume 4, Exercise 7. Get ready. Start. Article 44 of the Constitution of India lists Uniform Civil Code as one of the directive principles of the state policy. BJP believes that there cannot be gender equality till such time India adopts Uniform Civil Code. Men and women should be given equal rights. One of your ministers got married to a lady from Jammu and Kashmir. This happened just 2 to 3 years ago. The young lady said that all her rights as a citizen of Jammu and Kashmir had been seized if the sister of the chief minister of Jammu and Kashmir gets married to a person belonging to some other state, then her rights as a citizen of Jammu and Kashmir are seized. Anywhere in the world you go, it is seen that after marriage, the rights of the husband are extended to his wife, and the rights of the wife are extended to her husband. And just now you were talking about the freedom of women. Then kindly answer whether women of Jammu and Kashmir should be given freedom or not, whether they should be given equal rights to that of men or not. The nation should discuss this issue in the near future. As I have said, it covers all the things. I had in fact listed 5 6 issues, but I will drop all of them because Mr. Ashwani Kumar talked about the perception. When you got elected, we all congratulated you. You have full mandate. You have principle with you. You have raised hopes in them. They have a lot of expectations. But let us also remember there is a strong perception in the people. The perception comes when the conscious becomes fixed. The perception is about communal divide, communal polarization, or your own views on that. Sir, my next point is this. There is a report here. It speaks of center-state relations. It says we will have best relation and cooperation built as far as the states and concerned. It said that we will be the best model for federalism. Nobody can be more happy than us as a new state when we will think we will have that kind of the cooperation. The Prime Minister talked to us. He gave special time, met as personally, again took us inside and said, I have been the chief minister for long, know the problems of the state, so I care for the best relations. Now I have a massive in my hands. There is a letter which I would like to dwell at length because this morning I believe in the Lok Sabha. When this issue was raised, the Honorable Minister said, I have not looked into it. I will consider it. I will revise it. But what does the letter say? It says that the 29th new state created out of Andhra Pradesh, whose powers that are drawn from the constitution will be curtailed. It is there in the constitution. Nobody needs to give us. The seventh schedule tells us about the powers that go to state. The new law and order is in the hands of the state. That is a well settled matter. I am not trying to repeat it. It is a fact. However, in the Reorganization Bill Section 8 uses the word special responsibility of the governor. Today, we received a letter which says that a sub-inspector and an inspector will be appointed by the governor in the state of Telangana. Can there be a greater shame than this, sir? I am a congratulation. I like democracy. I like federalism. I like my own governance. I am an elect government. I can understand the governor coming and trying to advise us or being helpful to us in governance if there is something wrong, because there have been two regions that really are at loggerheads. You may try to solve it. You are sitting with us because that is exactly what special responsibility meant. Special responsibility and law and order meant that it did not mean the governor will come and appoint the sub inspectors and inspectors. We were talking yesterday to West Bengal and Odisha leaders on that issue. We are not trying to cope with it. So that is the equal how this is being dealt with. You must look into this. Mere words will not help you. Talking high about federalism will not help you unless you have understood what exactly the federalism is in a democratic system. Anyway, I am not trying to stretch this long because the Home Minister seems to have intervened in order house and said he will look into the letter. This is about the first letter. They have also sent another letter. When the first letter was referred to the Home Minister, he was ignorant. Stop.